so majestic.
So powerful.
So bizarrely named. Pumbaa?
How can a rock be proud? It's a rock.
Well, I think it's because a pride is what they call a group of lions.
Oh, sure, the lions get Pride Rock. And what about us meerkats? Where I come from, we didn't have nothing to be proud of. Why, when I was a young meerkat...
When he was a young meerkat!
Very nice.
Thanks.
But maybe it'd be safer if I just show him where I came from.
Oh boy, do we get to see where you grew up?
Yeah, Pumbaa, but it ain't pretty.
Please remain seated while the camera is in motion.
Wood. Peanut butter. Oh, yeah, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Huh? Did you hear that? Yeah, me too. Better go check it out.